गोंयांतल्यान ओखी चक्रीवादळ उत्तर पूर्व दिशेक स्थलांतर जावपाक लागला। दक्षिण गुजरात दर्यावेळ भागांत सुरता लागसार ह्या चक्रीवादळाचो मार बसपाची शक्यताय गोंय हवामान खात्यान उक्तायला। गोंयांत मंगळारा रात मेरेन हे वादळ थंडावतले, पूण नुस्तेकार भावांनी सद्याक तरी दर्यान वचचें न्हय म्हूण शिटकावणी गोंय हवामान खात्याचे निदेशक तशें वैज्ञानीक एफ मोहनलाल हांणी दिल्या। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅझिल रॉड्रिगीस।
The severe cyclonic storm Okhi has now weakened into the cyclonic storm, and it is moving north and northeastward. It is expected that it will further weaken, and by tonight or in the late evening, it will reach near South Gujarat coast, and the possibility is that it will become a depression in the night, and it will cross South Gujarat near Surat coast. So the system is moving northward, so the effect of this system will slowly decreasing over the Goa coast, because it is moving away from our Goa coast. Yesterday it was the maximum, yesterday and yesterday night. Now the wind speed will reduce. Today we are expecting that the wind speed will be around 30 to 40 kilometers per hour in our Goa coast region. And the weather, if we will see, today it will be possibility of that light to moderate rain is possible at few places over Goa. So from tomorrow the situation will improve, and we are expecting that that warning etc. will be removed from tomorrow, and the weather will also improve, and the rainfall will stop from tomorrow. But today 24-hour warning for fishermen and port warning will continue for next 24
Any
hours.
information about major destruction or anything that has taken place in the state?
Whatever news we have got from media, that is only that Kacha hatches etc. at the coastal has been destroyed by strong wind, and that is very minor thing. Nothing major casualty or anything is has come to our knowledge.